Hello and welcome in Madeleine's Intuitive Kitchen. Today we make a special dish and it's pasta Alfredo and it's made with a hemp cream sauce.
Oh, these are hemp hearts.
These are these wonderful tasty hemp hearts and it tastes good. It doesn't have a strong self-taste, so it's really ideal for a cream sauce. So I have everything ready here, Kabocha, and we have Eden pasta spelt ribbons, which are very, very delicious. I soaked the hemp heart for about 2 hours in here before I blend them. And then I have some zucchini. It's all from the gardens, some herbs. And here in the pan I already did some pre-work, and we have here some kabocha, and it's nicely cooked, it's soft. And now we just make this hot, the water, and add the zucchinis in here. So in the meantime we can make the sauce. Put a little bit of salt and a little bit of different herbs, like sage is really good for a cream sauce. This sage powder. Then some real salt. I have it in this shaker. Not too much. We're just waiting till the water is boiling. So I see you in a little bit. So here it's boiling in here, and we pour all the pasta in here. They're so delicious, the Eden pastas. They're ground in a way that the sauce is hanging and saturated on the pasta. And then we go slowly into this, gently. Oh, this will be so neat. It's good that the pasta are very much in the water, so they can soak up. So now we can turn this on to low and we make the sauce. Here it is. I have a kind of a personal blender. So shake it a little bit so that all the seeds are in here. Let's look into how it is. Wow, it's really good. It's great. So what we have? Shiso is such a neat plant. It's so paper fine. It's like a Japanese art. And I like to make it really fine, also the herbs. And it smells. Can you smell it?
Shiso.
Yeah, and the basil and
basil.
The New Zealand spinach is a spinach which grows very easily in our more hot climate.
Hot and dry here in Northern
Yeah.
California.
So this is ready too. I wish you could smell this.
Yeah.
So we have this. It's coming along, really. We're back here, and this is how it looks.
Beautiful.
Really delicious already as it is. And I poured the water off, and look at this wonderful soup. Just put little seasoning and eat it. It's really delicious. And then we can serve. So this is the Kabocha squash. It's creamy, it's beautiful, and with the zucchini. And then here comes a masterpiece. We pour some over. Look at this, how creamy this sauce looks.
Beautiful hemp hearts sauce.
Yeah, it's really delicious. We pour some of this over. A little bit of red.
Paprika.
Yeah. A little bit tamari, Eden tamari, which makes it really very delicious. A bit of black pepper. I like to put both on this one. Sometimes I use one or the other, but today we put also some white pepper. And this is it.
Wow.
Bon appetit. And we actually will eat pretty soon, I think.
Yum.
Yes. Just go to the kitchen and replicate. It's easier than you think. All right. Thank you for being with me and giving me company.